Okay, let's talk about behavior therapy. Ever wonder if you can just unlearn a bad habit?
Basically, it says that a lot of our behaviors, even the tricky ones, are learned.
And here's the cool part. If you can learn it, you can unlearn it. Pretty powerful, right? So, we're going to break down the three main ways this all happens. Let's get into it. First up is classical conditioning. This is just learning by association, plain and simple.
Take the little Albert experiment. It showed exactly how a neutral thing can become scary.
So that's how phobias can start. But how do you unlearn that fear? Let's see.
The whole idea is to swap out anxiety for relaxation. You literally can't feel both at once.
First step, you make a list of your fears, from not so bad to absolutely terrifying.
Then you learn to relax and tackle that list, one step at a time, starting easy.
All right, pillar number 2, operant conditioning. This one's all about consequences.
It's pretty simple, right? If you get a reward for something, you'll probably do it again.
This chart really breaks it down. Now, let's look at a classic therapy example of this.
It's called a token economy. You get points or stickers for good behavior to trade in later. These tokens give you that instant reward, which keeps you motivated for the bigger prize. Then there's what's called grandma's rule. And trust me, you've totally done this before. It's just, first you eat your veggies, then you get dessert. See? A reward for the not-so-fun task. And our last pillar is modeling. I mean, we learn so much just by watching other people. In therapy, this could be watching your therapist handle something you're afraid of. It really works. So yeah, modeling helps us learn skills, crush our fears, and even encourage good habits. So what's the big takeaway? Behavior therapy gives you a real, practical toolkit for making changes. So remember those 3 pillars: learning by association, by consequence, and by watching others. Once you get these principles, you see how all our behaviors are formed, the good and the bad. And that's the really hopeful message here. Change isn't just possible, there's a roadmap for it. So that leaves you with a question. What's one thing you've learned that you'd want to change?